Sometimes you wake up feeling motivated, telling yourself that today will be different, that you'll finally stick to a routine, drink more water, move your body, and maybe even meditate. But as the hours pass, that motivation fades, which is where Fabulous begins to feel less like just another productivity tool and more like a structured guide, because it connects intention with daily action, and that connection slowly transforms scattered goals into repeatable habits. The idea behind Fabulous revolves around behavioral science, and that foundation bridges psychology with practical routines. Instead of overwhelming you with a long to-do list from day one, the app introduces small habits gradually, linking progress with consistency. You might start with something simple, like drinking water in the morning, and that small action connects to a broader morning routine, which then flows into improved focus throughout the day. One habit leads to another, and over time, those small additions stack up without feeling forced. What makes the app stand out is how it blends structure with encouragement. Through guided journeys, reflections, and reminders, Fabulous connects accountability with positivity. You're not just checking off tasks, you're building rituals. And because rituals are easier to repeat than random goals, the process begins to feel sustainable. The interface often uses calming visuals and affirming language, bridging productivity with well-being rather than pressure. Pricing for Fabulous typically includes a free trial period, allowing users to explore basic features before committing. After the trial, access to full guided programs, advanced tracking, and premium content usually requires a subscription. The subscription model is often monthly or annual, with the annual plan providing better value overall. For users serious about long-term habit building, the premium features can enhance structure and guidance, while casual users may explore the basics during the trial phase. Over time, the app becomes less about checking reminders and more about shifting identity, because repeating small habits daily connects effort with self-image. When you complete your routine consistently, you begin to see yourself as someone disciplined and mindful. What starts as a simple water reminder grows into structured mornings, clearer evenings, and intentional breaks throughout the day. And somewhere between completing a short breathing exercise and reviewing your progress streak, you begin to notice subtle changes in energy and focus. And as you set your next small goal before closing the app, the quiet rhythm of improvement just kind of carries forward into tomorrow. And that's it. So, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.